Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce something truly special, a new generation of auto trading software designed for smart traders who are tired of taking risks and losing capital. Yes, for the very first time, I've brought you a system that performs with up to 80% accuracy, tested and refined through countless backtests and live runs. This is not just another robot. It's a precision-built EA that works intelligently, one trade at a time. As you can see on your screen, the backtesting speaks for itself. Every entry and every exit is calculated. The EA automatically sets both stop-loss and take-profit levels. And what makes it stand out is its trailing stop-loss feature, which continuously locks in profits and reduces risk with every market movement. Even if the stop-loss gets triggered, your loss will always be controlled and minimal, ensuring your capital stays safe. Because in trading, protecting your capital is the first rule of success. Most of us at some point have traded recklessly, using Martingale systems, doubling lot sizes, chasing losses, and finally destroying our accounts. I've been there too. That's why I built this EA, to eliminate those mistakes completely. You only need to buy it once, and after that, it's your 24/7 trading partner, working with discipline, logic, and precision. It doesn't overtrade, it doesn't panic, and it doesn't make emotional decisions. It simply follows its strategy with patience and consistency. Now remember, the market is supreme. No one can ever control it. But what we can control is our risk, and this EA gives you that control. It's powered by 7 technical indicators and 3 advanced logics that work together to analyze market structure, volatility, and price action in real time. Before taking any position, the system confirms multiple signals, ensuring only high-probability trades are executed. That's the reason behind its exceptional performance and accuracy. This EA has been tested across multiple currency pairs and timeframes, optimized especially for the M15 chart. And the best part? You only need to attach it to a single chart. It automatically manages all pairs from one place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this EA is designed to simplify your work. It handles the technical side while you focus on your trading goals. Imagine, no more sleepless nights watching the charts, no more fear of sudden market moves, no more frustration from emotional decisions. Just smart, automated, professional trading, backed by data, logic, and experience. Now, I want to be clear, we never promise guaranteed profits, because in the world of trading, there's no such thing as 100% success. But what we can promise is reduced risk, smarter entries, and long-term stability. This EA is built for people who understand that consistent growth matters more than quick wins. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, if you want to see your capital grow steadily, and if you want to finally trade with confidence, then this EA is for you. Invest once and experience the power of true automation. Let the system work for you, day and night, so your money can finally start working for you, not against you. Because the future of trading isn't emotional, it's logical, it's automated, and it starts right here.